Happy morning to all. The last section we discussed about that lesson number 7. It's a chemical kinetics. Question number 23rd, 24, 25, 26, 27. Everything we finished, we completed. And many of them wrote the assignment, but few of them are not write the assignment. Anyhow, today one of the very important question, very important question, the question number 28, chemical kinetics, lesson number 7, chemical kinetics, the page number 231. Page number 231, one of the very important problem for the NEET students. It's very important. Question number 28. Okay. About the question is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride in aqueous solution decomposes according to the equation C6H5N2Cl. This is the benzene diazonium chloride formula. What is the formula? C6H5N2Cl. One of the benzene ring have nitrogen N2 and also one of the halogen group chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride gives chlorobenzene and nitrogen, that is chlorobenzene C6H5Cl. Starting with an initial concentration of 10 gram liter inverse, the volume of N2 gas obtained at 50 degrees Celsius at different intervals of time was found to be as under one of the tabular column is given. What is the tabular column? What do you understand about the tabular column? The time, first column is about that, the time in minutes. Second about that, the volume of nitrogen in ml, that is volume of nitrogen obtained due to the reaction of benzene diazonium chloride undergoes decomposition. Benzene diazonium chloride undergoes decomposition. We get chlorobenzene and nitrogen. Am I right? Chlorobenzene. The formula is C6H5Cl. One of the benzene ring having one Cl. Okay. So chlorobenzene and also nitrogen. Here the volume of nitrogen obtained at 50 degrees Celsius at different intervals of time. Here, what is the question? So that the above reaction follows the first order kinetics. That's the question. And what is the value of rate constant? What is the value? We should be give the value for all. Okay, that is, I think that here having the time intervals having first 0 to 6 minutes. 0 to 6 minutes. Next 6 to 12 minutes. Next 12 to 18 minutes. Next 18 to 24 minutes and etc. Okay. Up to infinity. We shall be find out, no problem. At least you should be calculate 3 or 4 is enough. Okay, this is one of the 5 mark questions and sometimes you may be asked 3 mark questions. Okay, sometimes you can calculate any 3, that is 6 up to 0 to 6 minutes or 0 to 12 minutes or 0 to 18 minutes. Or 0 to 24 minutes, whatever may be the question. As per the question, you should be right the answer. Here, what is the question is, what is the value of K? What is the value of K, the rate constant? First, you shall try to write the question. First of all, you should make what tabular column. The time T, that is about that up to 0 to 6 minutes. Then about 6 to 12 minutes, next 12 to 18 minutes, next 18 to 24 minutes, like that you should be right. Next about the Vt, here having the formula. Which formula is adopted here means K is equal to 2.303 divided by T, the log of V infinity divided by V infinity minus Vt. This is the formula. Already I told you about it in the theoretical part, okay? The rate constant equation. What's the formula? K is equal to 2.303 divided by T, the log of V infinity divided by V infinity minus Vt. Here, what is V infinity? The V infinity is 58.3. That is given the tabular column. Next about the VT value. VT value you should be find the VT value. How can you find the VT value? That is also given the volume of nitrogen. The volume of nitrogen. Okay, volume of nitrogen. The first 6 minutes. That is 19.3. Next 6 minutes, that is 12 minutes, that is about 32.6. The next 6 minutes, that is about the 18 time t is equal to 18 minutes, that is 41.3. The next 6 minutes, that is 24. The volume of nitrogen is 46.5. The next is 30, 50.4. Then about the infinity. Here infinity is 58.3. And VT, each one you should be find out the VT. VT 19.3, 32.6, 41.3, 46.5 and 50.4. Okay, and about the time t is equal to also should be noted. For each one step, first you should be take t is equal to 6. Second one you should be take t is equal to 12. Third one you should be take t is equal to 18. Next one t is equal to 24. Next one t is equal to 30. Like that, we should be calculate the formula as per the given data. Okay, k is equal to 2.303 divided by t. Log v infinity is equal to 58.3. And about v infinity minus vt also you should be subtract this value. That is, suppose the 58.3 minus 19.3 like that. Then you should be subtract this value and you should be take the log value. Somebody is asking about the doubt, how I take the log value like that. This is not a 12th standard question, how to take the log. That is in the smaller class, in the lower section you should be learn the log, how I take the log. Okay, and you should be take the log. Again, if you have any doubt, please call me, I help you. You should be take the logarithm, open the logarithm and find the values and take it and write and substitute this value. And again you have 2.303 divided by 6. You should be divided and totally we get the final value. That is, I think that 0.06 like that value will come. And also you should be mention the unit, that is minute in verse. Okay. And finally, I think that 5k value. If you are those who are interested, you can be take the 5k values. Otherwise, 4 is enough. Up to 24 minutes is okay. 24 minutes, that is up to 46.5 is enough. Okay. Those who are interested, you can be also do the next 30 minutes also. Anyhow, the first we get the 4k value or 5k value. You should be add these k values and we will take the mean value. Okay, that's a rate constant for the first order reaction. Let us, we can be write the note. Please all of you take the note. We can do this problem. It's a very, very, very important question. Today this question is the assignment. Okay, don't forget that. Please all of you do this question. Okay. Please take page number 231 in the first volume. We have 3 more questions remaining. Question number 28 and question number 29 and question number 30. These are the 3 questions. Especially for the question number 28 and 29, it's a very important question. And also 30 also. Okay, these 3 questions are important question. So kindly, please all of you do it this question. It's a very, very important question. I hope that you maybe learned the last questions. Today also you should be learned the question number 28, 29, 30. Okay. Anyhow, the first one. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. The formula is C6H5N2Cl. C6, carbon having 6 and also hydrogen 5, nitrogen 2 and also chlorine 1. So the formula C6H5N2Cl. Benzene diazonium chloride in aqueous solution decomposes according to the equation C6H5N2Cl gives C6H5Cl plus N2. Starting with an initial concentration of 10 gram liter inverse, the volume of N2 gas obtained at 50 degrees Celsius at different intervals of time was found to be as under the have tabular column about the time t minutes volume of nitrogen in ml. Here, first 0 to 6 minute, the volume of nitrogen is 19.3. Next 6 minutes, that means 6 to 12 minutes, the volume of nitrogen 32.6. And again next 6 minutes, that means 12 to 18, 41.3. And again the next 6 minutes, that is 24, volume of nitrogen is 46.5. And again the last 6 minutes, that is 30, 50.4 is the volume of nitrogen. And also the last infinity, that is 58.3. That's the final, okay? Anyhow, show the above reaction follows the first order kinetics. What is the value of rate constant? This is a question. So one of the important question. Show that the above reaction follows the first order kinetics. What is the value of rate constant? That's the question. Okay. That means the 0 to 6 minutes. That means 0 to 6 minutes. The volume of nitrogen is 19.3 ml. Next 6 minutes. That means next 6 minutes 12. 12 time. T is equal to 12. That is 32.6. Next 6 minutes, that is 18 time T is equal to 18 minutes, 41.3 is the volume of nitrogen. Next 6 minutes, that is 18 to 24, the volume of nitrogen is 46.5. Next 6 minutes, that is 30 minutes, the volume of nitrogen is 50.4. The last is 58.3. That's a V infinity. Okay, infinity. That we are saying infinity. I think the page number 231. First volume, chemical kinetics. Okay, we are continuing the last 3 problems. Okay, please all of you do this problem. Okay, please take the note and write the question. Question number 28. Okay, here you should be right. For the first order reaction, the formula you should be right. What is the formula? K is equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. This is the formula. Clear? This is the formula. Here, for this problem, we have to take this formula. K is equal to 2.303 by T log V infinity divided by V infinity minus Vt. Right? This is the formula. Clear? In the present case, what is the V infinity? As V infinity formula. Why V infinity? That is the final time for V infinity. V infinity is equal to 58.3 ml of nitrogen. Okay? 58.3 ml of nitrogen. As per the tabular column, these all of you check the tabular column. Okay. We should be calculate the value of K. What is our aim? To calculate the value of K. The value of K at different time can be calculated. Okay. So first of all, we should make one tabular column. Okay. We have to make one tabular column. Just I am having the full board. Okay. This is for time minutes. Okay, T minutes. This is for T minutes. Next one is about the VT. Okay, VT. Okay. Next one is the V infinity minus VT. First one is VT. Next one is a V infinity minus VT. Next about this should be write the formula. What is the formula? K is equal to 2.303 by T log V infinity minus VT. This is the formula. Can you see what is the formula here? K is the 2.303 by T log V infinity by V infinity minus Vt. That's the formula. Okay. As per the tabular column, the time T minutes. The starting the time is about 6 minutes. Am I right? 6 minutes. Okay. Here, volume of nitrogen ml. That is for the 6 minutes. The volume of nitrogen, that is we are saying that which is 19.3. As per the tabular column, this is the 19.3. Okay. Next about V infinity minus Vt. Okay. V infinity means as the tabular column last having the V infinity. That's V infinity is equal to 58.3. Am I right? V infinity is equal to what? 58.3. What is about the Vt? Vt is equal to, that is volume and time. Vt is equal to how much? 19.3. And about the time T is equal to 6 minutes. That is the given. Am I right? So this should be calculate what is the value of K. Am I right? So first we should be find out V infinity minus Vt. V infinity value is 58. What's the value of V infinity? 58.3. Okay, V infinity minus Vt. Vt value how much? 19.3. Okay, when we are minusing 3 minus 3, okay, 0. When say about 9. Next about 3. Okay. That's the answer is about how much? 39.0. Clear? 39.0. Clear? Next. We should be substitute this value as per the formula. What's the formula? What's the given formula here? K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log V infinity divided by V infinity minus Vt. That's the formula. Here. So we are substituting this one. So K is equal to 2.303 divided by the T, that is 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes log V infinity. That is how much V infinity. As per the tabular column, the V infinity value is 58. Okay, 58.3 divided by V infinity minus Vt. That is how much? 39.0. Okay. So K is equal to 2.303 divided by 6. We are dividing this one. 58.3 divided by 39. Okay. What's the value? We get log 1.4949. Okay, when we are dividing 58.3 divided by 39, 58.3 divided by 39, we get 1.4949. That's the value. Then we have log of 1.4949. Okay, log of 1.4949 is equal to 0.1746. Okay, 0.1746. When we have substituted here, K is equal to 2.303 divided by 6 into here log in value 0.1746. Again we should be dividing here k is equal to, when we are dividing 2.303 divided by 6, we get the value is 0.3838. Okay? When we are dividing 2.303 divided by 6, what's the value? 0.3838 into 0.1746. Okay? So what's the value? Is approximately equal to k is equal to 0.0670 minutes. Minutes inverse. Okay? This is the value of k. Okay? This is the value of what? K. So what is the value here? 0k. The 0 is equal to 0.0670 minutes inverse. This is for first 6 minutes. This is for what? First 6 minutes. For this problem, the time 6 minutes, we get the value for V infinity minus Vt is equal to 39.0. Anyhow, what is the value of k? What is the value of k? That is a first order kinetics. The value of rate constant k is equal to 0.0670 minutes inverse. Okay. Next, we have to find the next 6 minutes. That is, 6 minutes is over. What is the next 6 minutes? That is 12 minutes. What is about the 12 minutes? As per the given in the textbook, the V2 value is 32.6. Am I right? 32.6. So we shall find the V infinity minus Vt. V infinity minus Vt. So what is the value of V infinity? V infinity already have the table column, that is 58.3. 58.3. What is about the Vt value? Vt is equal to, here as per the table column, 32.6. Okay? 32.6. Anyhow, V infinity minus Vt, that is 58.3 minus 32.6. When we are dividing, we get 752. So what's the value? 25.7 is the V infinity minus Vt. Okay, anyhow, we have calculated the rate constant, first order rate constant. What is the formula? K is equal to 2.303 divided by time log of V infinity divided by V infinity Vt. This is the formula. So I told you that V infinity, what is the value of V infinity? That is 58.3. Am I right? Here T. What is the T? The time 12 minutes. Okay, 12 minutes log V infinity. What is the value? 58.3. Okay, 58.3 divided by value 25. So first we should be divide this value, that is k is equal to 2.303 divided by 12 log. When we are dividing, 58.3 divided by 25.7 is equal to 2.2685. Okay. When we are dividing 58.3 divided by 25.7, we get what is the value? 2.2685. So k can be written as 2.303 divided by 12 log of log 2.2. Log 2.2 is right. Okay, 2.2685, value is 0.3557. Okay, what's the value? 0.3557 value. Okay, so again we are multiplying. K is equal to, when we are we are dividing 2.303 divided by 12. 2.303 divided by 12, the value is 0.1919. 0.1919. Okay, into what's the value of log of 0.3557? So already we write here, that is equal to multiply, okay? It is 0.3557. So K is equal to 0.0686 minutes inverse. 0.what's the value? 0.0686 minutes inverse. Okay, here almost the two values are almost constant. Am I right? First value about the first 6 minutes also 0.0670 minutes inverse, and for the next 12 minutes, that means next 6 minutes, that is 12 minutes, 0.0686, almost near value. Okay, shall we calculate the next 12 minutes? Okay, we can calculate the next 12 minutes, that is 18 times t is equal to 18. Next again we shall calculate t is equal to 24 like that. We have to calculate, then only we get the correct answer. Okay. So we shall do the next 6 minutes. That is about 18 minutes. Okay. For the next 6 minutes, as per the table of column, the value Vt value is equal to 41.3. Okay. Then we should be subtract this one, V infinity minus Vt. Okay, that is 58.3 is the V infinity value. Here 41.3, that is 0.7. Okay, that is 170.0. So what's the value? Here we get the 17 point. Can be taken as 17.0. So we get V infinity minus Vt. Okay, substitute this value, that is V infinity. What's the value of V infinity? 58.3. Vt is equal to 17, and about the t is equal to 18. These are the data. Then what is the formula? K is equal to 2.303 by t. Value of t is equal to 18 into log of V infinity. What's the value of V infinity? 58.3 divided by V infinity minus Vt. V infinity minus Vt, how much? 70. Okay. Okay, then we can calculate. K is equal to 2.303 divided by 18 log. First of all, we should be divide 58.3 divided by 70. The approximate equal value is equal to 3.4294. So log 3.4294. What's the value? Is equal to 0.5352. Okay. So log 3.4294 is 0.5352. Again you have substituting K value. K is equal to, we are dividing 2.303 divided by 80. Okay. That's value is 0.1279. 0.1279 into 0.5352. 0.5352. What's about the K value? K value is equal to 0.0684 minutes. 0.0684 minutes. Okay. So we shall be write this value 0.0684 minutes inverse. What's about the third value? So the first 6 minutes we get 0.06, second 6 minutes 0.06, the third also 0.06. Am I right? So nearest value, almost nearest value. It's not a correct value, but it's almost nearest value. Okay, we shall take like that only. Next we shall be continue the next 6 minutes. That is about the next 6 minutes is time t is equal to 24. Okay, time t is equal to 24. Only one more is enough. Okay, only one more. Okay, as per the textbook, what is the given data are given? What is about the Vt value? Vt value is equal to 46.5. 46.5, that is V infinity. Previous I told you about the V infinity, that is what? 58.3. Vt is equal to 46.5. 46.5. And about the time t is equal to 24. What's the time? 24. Okay, clear? Time 24. Then we shall substitute this value on the rate constant law, that is k is equal to 2.303 divided by t log of V infinity divided by V infinity minus Vt. This is the formula, and we shall substitute here k is equal to 2.303 divided by time t is equal to 24, and about the log of V infinity values we get one, that is 58.3 divided by V infinity minus Vt. That we shall be calculated V infinity minus Vt. Okay, that what is about the V infinity? 58.3 minus 46.5. Okay, that is we get approximately 811. So then we get 11.8. What's the answer? 11.8. So here we shall write 11.8. Okay. Next one. We have when we are dividing 58.3, what's the answer? K is equal to 2.303 divided by 24 log. When we are dividing, we get log of 4.9407. 9407. Okay. Log 4.9407 is 0.6938. 0.6938. So we shall multiply k is equal to, when we are dividing here, 2.303 divided by 24, the value is 0.0959 into 0.0693, sorry, 0.6938. So we get the approximate value is about that 0.0665 minutes inverse. This is about the k value. What's the k value here? 0.0665 minutes inverse. Okay, here, please let us check this value. All four values are nearly 0.6, 0.06, am I right? 0.06. That almost we can be said is a constant value. Okay, like that we can be said constant. Yeah. So we have to take the mean value. Okay, it should be take the mean value. That's the correct value. Okay, since it should be right one line here. Since the value of k come out to be nearly constant. It's the constant. Nearly what? Constant. So the given value, the given reaction of the first order. Okay. So we shall take the mean value. What is about the mean value? We shall take the mean value. Mean value means we are adding the four k values. Okay. What are the four k values? 0.0670, 0.0686, 0.0684, 0.0665. So when we are adding this 4k value, we get is an approximately 0.2 0.2705. 0.2705. Again we have to divide this value. It is by dividing by 4. Okay, because we have 4 k values. 4 k values means for time 6 minutes, next 6 minutes, next 6 minutes, again the next minutes. So they should be divided by 4. So what's the value? It is approximately 0.0676 minutes. This is the value of k. Okay, this is the value of k. We can only do this only. It's a very important question. I think that today the assignment is also same like that only. Assignment is I am giving this question only. Okay. Shall we can discuss the next question? Assignment today. Assignment. Page number 231. Lesson 7, Chemical Kinetics. Question number 28. Okay. Please all of you write this question. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.